today it is time for that Ipsy review. I know I'm late getting this video out, but this is my December Ipsy, and I got 7 items to show you and tell you what I think about them. I've already tried them out. So if you want to find out what I thought about these 7 items I got from Ipsy for December, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now, before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy, and welcome to the video. I know I'm late on this, guys. You're going to see a few videos with me wearing the same shirt because I'm doing this in the same day. I'm playing catch up so I could get this one video that I've been working on for so long. I'm ready to get it out. So I'm trying to play catch up and get all my videos out, so I'm going to have the same makeup, hair, sweatshirt, clothes, everything. Everything is going to be the same in the next few videos, so I am sorry about that, but I digress. So, this is December's Ipsy. Now, I did get 7 items. 6 of them come from Ipsy, and 1 of them was bought with my Ipsy points. So, I do want to tell you what I thought about these items. Now, first of all, the bag, I'm not going to complain. I love this bag. I absolutely love it, and I love that it is black on the other side and not the same. I do like that it's different. That way, if you're going out and you want an accent or whatever, you can use the gold, or you could just go with the plain black like usually I would do because
I'm boring. So.
Now, the first thing that I got, this is the Ciate London, the Glitter Flip Liquid Lipstick. Now, this is in shade Infamous. First of all, I love the shade. I think it is so beautiful. But the glitter, I don't know. You're supposed to put this on, I guess, and smack your lips together, and it activates the glitter and makes the glitter show. I thought it kind of looked the same either way, so I don't know about the glitter part, but I do love the shade, and I do love the wear. It was very comfortable on the lips. It's not too drying. So I do like the formula, but as far as the glitter thing activating, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but I do like the product. Okay, next thing that I got was this little Catrice eyeshadow. Now, this is in Luminous Lilac. Okay, guys. I'm not quite happy with this. I mean, I love eyeshadows. I am an eyeshadow person. But this is just not as pigmented as what I want it to be. It's a shimmer shade, but, I mean, again, there's just no pigment there. I don't know. I think it would be better as a topper for another shade, or maybe if you laid some black down, maybe that'll make it pop more. But as for wear time, it was shit. As for pigment, it's shit. Should I continue, guys? Okay, the next thing that I got was the Pacifica Cosmetics. This is the Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. Now, this is a liquid highlight. And this is the coolest highlight that I have seen in such a long time. Now, it will go on white, but once you get it blended out, it turns like it's got like a pinky shift to it, which is kind of cool, kind of cute. I like it, something different. It went over my powder just fine. It didn't leave any weird marks or anything, so I do love the liquid highlighter. The next thing that I got was the Dr. Lip Tint. This is with Sweet Potato Pigment, whatever. Now, this is supposed to be a color tint. Now, like a chapstick or whatever, but of course it's in this kind of formula right here, a little liquid gel formula. Now, it don't have that much tint. It is going to go on clear, and it does like have a hint of pink, which I do love. But, you know, I'm just using it for like a lip balm or something, but I do like it.
I didn't really mind that, so...
Next thing that I got, this is a Luxie brush, and it is the 243 Precision Blending Brush. I love this brush, especially if I'm doing a cut crease like I'm wearing today. It is so easy to lay down that crease line, or the lower lash line is mainly what I've been using that for, but I absolutely love the brush. No fallout. I love it. I love getting brushes in my Ipsy. And for the 6th item from Ipsy, it is one of these Farrah brushes, and this is the 35E. Now, I use this to blend out my transition or lay down my transition. I find this brush to be really, really, I love the brush. It's amazing. It is so soft. You wouldn't believe looking at it. It just looks like it's really dense, but this is a really soft brush, and I love laying my transition shade with it. There's been no fallout. It picks up eyeshadows like a pro. I mean, there's no problems with the brush, and I love this. And I think everybody got one of these. This was the 6th item in everybody's bag. I'm not exactly sure. Comment down below and let me know if you've got this brush. And for the last item that I have now, this again was bought with my Ipsy points, and I had to have it, guys. So I got a 3rd brush. This is, I think it's Enmo Cosmetics. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But I just had to have it because, again, I love getting brushes in my Ipsy. Anytime I have the extra points, and if there is a brush there and I got enough points for it, I go ahead and grab it because I am a brush freak. I've been using this for a crease brush, and it is tapered at the end. I find it perfect to go right in the crease. And if you want to blend out your line a little bit more, it is just perfect to do that with. And this is just a really good brush. And I'm not quite familiar with the brand, but I do love the brush, and it does have these little diamond cuts in it. I think it's awesome. So, guys, that is it. That was all the items I have to show you. So, all in all, I like the bag. You know, everything but the eyeshadow, I believe, that's the only thing that gave me a little bit of trouble. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys, in Luminous. Now, this is just kind of like a liquid. This is, you know, everything but the eyeshadow, it's shit.